Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, have gained popularity as investment vehicles for individuals seeking to invest in real estate without the complexities of owning and managing properties directly. Here are some key points to consider about REITs, including their advantages and disadvantages. Pros of REITs: diversification. REITs allow investors to spread their real estate investment across various property types, residential, commercial, industrial, healthcare, and locations. This diversification can help mitigate risks compared to owning a single property. Liquidity. REITs are traded on stock exchanges, making them highly liquid. Investors can easily buy or sell REIT shares, unlike physical properties that can take longer to sell. Stable income streams. REITs are legally required to distribute a significant portion of their earnings as dividends to shareholders, providing a steady income stream, which is appealing to income-focused investors. Professional management. REITs are managed by real estate professionals who handle property acquisition, management, and leasing. This allows investors to benefit from professional expertise without dealing with day-to-day property management. Accessibility. Investing in REITs requires less capital compared to buying physical properties, making it easier for individuals to enter the real estate market without significant financial burdens or maintenance responsibilities. Cons of REITs: market volatility. REIT shares can fluctuate with the stock market, exposing investors to market volatility. During economic downturns, REIT prices may decline. Lack of control. Investors in REITs delegate property management decisions to the REIT's management team. This lack of direct control might not appeal to those who prefer hands-on management of their real estate investments. Interest rate sensitivity. REITs can be affected by changes in interest rates. Rising interest rates can increase borrowing costs for REITs, potentially impacting their profitability and share prices. Tax implications. Dividends from REITs are typically taxed at an individual's income tax rate, which may be higher than the capital gains tax rate applied to direct real estate investments. This can affect after-tax returns. Management fees. While REITs offer professional management, they often come with management fees that can reduce investors' overall returns. Dependency on the real estate market. The performance of REITs is closely tied to the overall health of the real estate market. Economic downturns or sector-specific declines can negatively impact REIT performance. What are REITs? A REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estate. REITs pool funds from individual investors to create a diversified portfolio of properties, which can include commercial buildings, residential complexes, shopping malls, healthcare facilities, and more. A defining feature of REITs is their requirement to distribute a significant portion of taxable income, typically at least 90%, to shareholders as dividends. This distribution allows REITs to avoid corporate income taxes, making them tax-efficient investment vehicles. REITs are listed on major stock exchanges, providing investors with easy access to the real estate market without the need for direct property ownership and management. They offer liquidity, diversification, and the potential for stable income through regular dividend payments. Investing in REITs can be a smart way to gain exposure to the real estate market without the complexities of direct property ownership. However, like any investment, REITs come with their own set of risks and rewards. It's crucial for investors to align their financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategies before investing in REITs. Consulting a financial advisor can provide tailored guidance to make informed decisions.